Hi everyone, welcome back to the session. So today we're gonna be covering up the libraries questions of the Python. So that's it seems to be a interesting thing. So let's see what is there. So the question starts from the what is a library actually first. So Python library. What is a Python library? So Python library is like a toolbox instead of building tool like a hammer or screwdriver yourself. You open the library and pick the tools, functions, or modules already made by expert. For example, if you want to work with numbers or data, libraries like maths or pandas can save the day. Right for you. So libraries like toolbox instead of building tool like a hammer or screwdriver yourself, you open the library and pick the tools. What is NumPy and why it is useful? So NumPy is like a super smart calculator for Python. Super smart calculator for the Python. If you need to work with a large list of numbers, if you need to work last list of a number and do complex maths like matrix and all, NumPy make it faster and simpler. So NumPy is all about the calculator things that calculate fast for you. Overall, what does Pandas does? So Pandas is like a Excel for Python. You can create tables, filter data, or even analyze it if you are working with the rows and columns. So Pandas is like for the Excel. It's actually rows and columns, good in the rows and columns, and NumPy is look for the mathematical part. Pandas is look for the Excel's part. And now we have the how can I do with what can I do with the matplotlib. So matplotlib helps you to draw picture, want to see how your data looks. It's like a paintbrush of Python for plotting charts. So matplotlib means like graphs, like it used for the graphs majorly. So what is the purpose of Seaborn? So Seaborn is like a matplotlib but fancier. It makes your chat looks cool without much effort. Things of Matplot and Seaborn are same. They look for the chats. NumPys look for the mathematical things, and Pandas look for the Excel things. Now, how does the request library? What does the request library do? So imagine asking the internet, "Can I ask some data, please?" The request library makes it easy to get answers from website or API. Right? What is special about Flask library? So Flask is like the foundation for building website. You can make web application easily. So how does TensorFlow or PyTorch work? So these libraries are the superheroes or machine learning and AI. So they help your computer learn pattern from data, like predicting what happens next in a movie, for example, right? So TensorFlow and Py PyTorch. So these libraries are the superheroes of machine learning and AI. They help your computer learn pattern from data, like predicting what happens next in a movie or something like that. This creates a simple AI ready constant. What is the OpenCV used for? So OpenCV in your camera buddy. It's great for working with images and videos, like detecting faces and object. OpenCV is all about like that. What is a beautiful soup? So beautiful soup is your web scraper. Imagine visiting a website and taking only the data you need. This library does that. So beautiful soup is your web scraper. Imagine visiting a website taking only the data you need. This library does that. So guys, we have discussed it, right? Why not again revise those things? So beautiful soap. So is your web server scraper. Imagine visiting a website and taking only the data you need. This library does that. So filtering out the data for you in the website. OpenCV looks for the camera buddy. So it's great for working with images and videos, like detecting faces and objects. TensorFlow and PyTorch. So libraries superheroes for AI and machine learning. They help your computer learn pattern from data, like predicting what happens next in a movie, right? Like that. TensorFlow and PyTorch. TensorFlow and PyTorch used in the AI and ML things that used for the prediction. And what is the special about the Flask library? So Flask library is the foundation building website. You can use web application easily, like a foundation for building website. Flask library is very useful. Foundation for the use creating the website. What does the request library do? So it will help you out to talk with the website. That's what it does. Can I have some? So the request library make it easier to get answers from the website or APIs. So what is the purpose of Cburn? So Cburn is like a matplotlib. It's all about the chat, but in Cburn you will have some fascinating things. So pandas is more of a like Excel that works on the rows and columns things that can easily handle the task. NumPy, so NumPy is all about the mathematical things, can handle the large data sets in easy way. Python libraries are like toolbox. Instead of building tool like hammer, screwdriver yourself, you open the library and pick the tool already made by expert. For an example, if you work with number or data, libraries like maths or pandas can save the data easily. So guys, that's all of my time for the today, and hope you enjoy this video. For the library is all about that, right? So hope you enjoyed this video, and that's all of my time for the today. See you in the next, catch you in the next, and then bye.